And what is the one thing that could cause the whole thing to collapse, Bitcoin to go to zero?
I think if one of these frauds were exposed, and there's some research out there, I mean, bear in mind there's nobody kind of looking into these things. There are no regulators. The one big thing which I do expect is, let's say you bought a Bitcoin for $1,000 and you sold it for $8,000, or a couple of days ago, or exchanged it. You have a $7,000 gain you have to put on your tax return. It's no different than buying IBM at 150 and selling it at 180. You got to put the $30 gain on your tax return. How many Bitcoin sellers are putting those gains on their tax returns? I don't know the answer, but my guess is very few. If you don't, you're a felon. That's a felony. This is how Al Capone ended up in Alcatraz. And people say, oh, the IRS will never catch me. Believe me, I was a tax lawyer before I was a securities lawyer. I was the tax counsel at Citibank. The IRS will track you down. They have ways of doing it. Americans who had offshore bank accounts in Switzerland prior to 5 or 6 years ago,